Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of rotational motion. The question here is, a circular plate of uniform thickness has diameter of 56 centimeter. A circular portion of diameter 42 centimeter is removed from it, from one edge of the plate. Find the center of mass of the remaining portion. So now in this question, we are given radius of big circle or circular plate is 28 centimeter and that of small circle is 21 centimeter. Now here in the diagram, the big circular plate is there, out of which this small circular plate is being removed. So we are left with this shaded portion. This plate is left with us, and for this plate we have to find out its center of mass. Now O is the center of bigger plate, O1 is the center of smaller plate. So center of mass of bigger of plate. So coordinates of center of mass of big plate, I consider that is O because it is the center, and I consider that as 0, 0. And for small plate, now the y value will be 0 because we are only on the horizontal axis. So the distance from O to O1 is 7 meter. So this will be 7, 0. Now what will be the formula of center of mass? Center of mass, since y coordinate will be 0 because the both big plate and small plate has coordinate as equals to 0. But for x, mass of big plate into x value of big plate minus mass of small plate into x value of, this is for big plate, this is for small plate, upon mass of big plate minus mass of small plate. Why we are doing here minus? Because we are taking out certain portion away from the main part, or we are removing the portion. That is why we are doing here minus, but we are not given the mass. So since mass is not given to us, mass per unit area is to be constant, say that is equals to sigma. So area of big plate is equals to pi capital R square, and area of small plate is equals to pi into small r square. So mass of big plate will be equals to sigma into pi r square, and mass of small plate will be equals to sigma into pi small r square. So now we put these values in our given question. So x will be equals to mass of big plate, that is pi r square sigma into x. X for big plate is 0 minus sigma pi r square into x of small is 7 divide by sigma pi r square minus sigma pi small r square. So now this term becomes 0 minus 7 sigma pi small r square, and in denominator I take sigma into pi common, r square minus small r square. This is equals to minus 7 pi sigma r square upon sigma pi capital R square minus small r square. So this sigma gets cancelled, this pi gets cancelled. So x is equals to minus 7, small r is 21 square, divided by capital R is 28 square minus 21 square. This will give minus 7 into 21 into 21, 49 into 7. A minus b, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this 7 gets cancelled. 7 ones are 7 sevens are 7 threes are 7 sevens are 7 ones are 7 threes are. So this comes out minus 9 centimeter. So now what are the coordinates of center of mass? Coordinates of center of mass are minus 9 centimeter, 0 centimeter. That means it will be on left of origin. Oh, that is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.